In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup folders. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Clickup website, which is your starting point for organization and productivity. Once there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to get started with your Clickup account. This will take you to the login page where you'll enter your credentials. If you're like many of us who enjoy streamlined logins, you might find it useful to select the option to sign in with Google. This is a great way to ensure speedy yet secure access to your account. After logging in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This adds a layer of convenience since it integrates your Google services with Clickup. Now that you're in, you should be looking at your Clickup home. Find any of the spaces where you wish to create a folder and click on the three dots. These dots are particularly useful as they hold additional options and settings specific to that space. Once you click the three dots, look for the Create New option. This action will open up further options for organizing your content. You'll want to click on Folder, which is the focus of today's walkthrough. Folders in ClickUp are fantastic for organizing tasks, projects, or even different categories of work. They assist in keeping everything nicely sorted, which immensely helps when managing multiple projects. Now, it's time to name your folder. Think of a name that will intuitively remind you of its contents or purpose. It might be helpful to keep your naming conventions consistent with other folders for ease of navigation. While naming your folder, it's a good idea to consider how this folder will fit into your overall workflow. Once your folder is named, the next step is straightforward. Click on the Create button. And just like that, your folder is now part of your ClickUp workspace. This small act of organization helps in decluttering tasks and enhances your overall efficiency significantly. With your newly created folder, you can start moving tasks into it or creating new tasks directly within, depending on what's more convenient for you. Creating folders in ClickUp is a powerful way to stay organized. It allows you to compartmentalize your different projects and prioritize with more clarity. By using folders, you not only enhance your productivity, but also create a visually pleasing workspace. This keeps your tasks, projects, and responsibilities aligned and accessible. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope these steps make your ClickUp experience more organized and efficient. See you next time, and happy organizing.